This is my honest review of Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, a tantalizing taste treat and an ancient Greek formula. We use this a lot when we're barbecuing at our house. We make a mixed grill with chicken and lamb and beef, and it is phenomenal if you have some pitas and some tzatziki. Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning is a blend of herbs and spices that is commonly used to add flavor to a variety of dishes such as meats, vegetables, and salads. The seasoning has a strong Mediterranean flavor and can add a unique twist to any meal. One of the benefits of Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning is its versatility. The seasoning can be used on a wide range of dishes, making it a convenient ingredient to have in the kitchen. It also contains no MSG, which can be a plus for those who are sensitive to this ingredient. However, one potential drawback of this seasoning is it can be quite salty. So definitely if you're sensitive to saltiness, moderate how much you use on it. And I have found that too. You just have to be careful how much you use. Overall, Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning is a flavorful and versatile seasoning that can be a great addition to many different dishes. However, those who are watching their sodium intake, just be mindful of that. Go out and get it, though. You will not be sorry.